Hello everyone and welcome to Coding Range. Today we'll be talking about how to create a circle button in Android Studio, and in order to do that, first we have to open up a new project. We will create an empty activity. We'll call it circle button. We will wait for the Android Studio to open up the projects for us, and we'll wait for the Gradle in order to finish up everything, and then we'll be able to do our work. Now, as you can see, we have the project set up, and we go to activity main.xml. We have design view here. As you can see, in this view we will delete the hello world because we need a button. We take our button, we put it here on the layout, we constrain it to center it on the page, and then we will have to create a drawable file inside of the drawable folder in the app and then res drawable file. We right click on the drawable, we click on new and then drawable resource file. We call our file circle button.xml, and here we will create our button itself, the main design for our button. We should change the selector to shape, and we should add here Android shape rectangle. Here we will add the tag corners, then Android radius 1000 dp. After setting up our corners, then we will go to activity main again, and here you will open up the code section. In the button tag, inside of the button tag, we should add Android background to @drawable circle button. Then we should add here in the layout width, we should make the layout 100 dp width and 100 dp height. And here you can see we have the button itself centered, and if we run our program, now as you can see we have the button, our circular button, in the center of our main app. In order to see more videos about programming, be sure to subscribe and drop a like. And if you have anything in your mind, in your opinions, comment down below and we will get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.